Hey guys, today we're going to do an unboxing of a Trifecta shipment to give you guys an example of what you get inside the box. Now, as a quick background, we ship nationwide to all 50 states, including Alaska and Hawaii, and our boxes come in a few different sizes depending on how many meals you get. Each box is a refrigerated case on the inside, and I'll show you an example of what you get inside of it. Our shipping comes through FedEx, and after you've placed your order, you'll get a FedEx tracking number on Thursday, and the shipment will show up on Friday. Get this open here and show you guys what's inside. So on the outside of the box, you'll notice it's fully sealed in a refrigerated case. Right now, we're currently using 100% recyclable styrofoam, and we're in testing on corn panels and other fully biodegradable products so we can eliminate any remaining packaging. On top of that, it's going to have some food grade gel ice packs that can be removed and emptied into the sink. They are recyclable as well. Inside the package, you're going to see the food. So I'll tilt it over here so you guys can see an example of what comes inside. We'll take a few meals out, and this one looks like brown rice with ground beef and some veggies mixed in. On the package itself, it will give you the nutrition facts for this particular meal, how many calories are in it, how many macronutrients are in it, and then cooking instructions and all of the ingredients in the meal itself. With Trifecta Food, you'll recognize every ingredient in the package. Everything we ship is fresh and 100% vacuum sealed. We don't freeze it as a raw ingredient or as a fully prepared meal when we ship it out to people. So we'll go ahead and take some more of these out to give you guys some additional examples. Here is a coconut curry chickpeas and squash with chicken breast. Again, calories and macronutrients, and you'll notice at the top of the package what type of protein is in the meal will be stamped on the back, including if you're getting vegan or vegetarian meals, at which point vegetarian will be stamped on the back. So let's pull out some more examples here. We've got steak with brown rice and mixed vegetables. This is an example of one of our classic meals. They're usually much simpler than the clean plan, which is the one that these meals are. So we're doing kind of a combo box here for you guys. These tend to be lower calorie and are generally things that you would think of with classic meal prep, like a protein, a vegetable, and a carbohydrate, like in this case, steak, mixed veggies, and brown rice. The other thing I do want to point out about the trays real quick is they actually, in these new trays, have nano perforations, meaning it will keep the vacuum seal intact and the food completely safe, but if you do microwave it, it will actually break the seal on the outside of the package, allowing you to pull it off very easily. With a little elbow grease, you can easily pull off the seal as well, but it does allow you to microwave the food in the actual tray itself if that's what's the most convenient for you. So thanks for checking out our unboxing, guys. If you do have any additional questions about it, feel free to reach out to customer service through phone, chat, email, or social media. Thanks, guys.